guys, today we're gonna do about LittleBits. So here we have the micro sequencer and the envelope, and we have the oscillator and the delay, and we have the other oscillator and the filter, and the last one is the random, and we have the keyboard too, and we have the power speaker, and this is the split and the mix. So we're gonna do now the tuning. So I'll start by the power, and then the keyboard, and then the oscillator, and last the speaker. So we turn it on with this, and we press a button, and that noise comes out. And when you press any button,